This Rotary Tool Kit from Ironton has 131 pieces for everything you need to cut, saw, grind, drill, polish, and sharpen. Get powerful performance from the 160-watt 1.3 amp motor that delivers up to 35,000 RPM. Easily adjust your speed to accommodate any application with the variable speed dial. Use it on metal, wood, plastic, glass, ceramic, stone, and more. Tackle a wide variety of household and shop projects with a complete kit of accessories that includes sanding pads, wire and bristle brushes, felt wheels, grinding stones, engraving cutters, and drilling accessories. Keep a strong grip on accessories with the 1/8" machine collet, and easily change them out with the spindle lock. Keep it all contained in the plastic carrying case. Get everything you need to cut, saw, grind, drill, polish, and sharpen with this Rotary Tool Kit from Ironton. Only at Northern Tool.